Hey guys, welcome back to a quick guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to do Twitch raid. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to start a raid in Twitch, you just simply have to open your Twitch application. And after opening the Twitch application, you will get to see a bunch of options into here. You just simply have to tap into this create button into the top right corner. And from there you will get this stream manager option. Tap into that option and then you'll get this raid channel option directly. You just simply have to tap into this raid channel option and then search for any of the channel that you want to raid. And after that, searching the name of the channel, you can easily choose any of the channel to raid. Just simply select the channel and start your raid very easily. This way you can do raid anytime into Twitch. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.